Assalamu alaikum dear students, I am Anjum Shafiq, your biology teacher for grade 11, and today I am going to discuss the last topic of our chapter, that is difference between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. So let's move to the whiteboard. So difference between the last topic of our chapter, and very important as a long question in the board exams, between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. So it is very important as far as the board exams are concerned. Okay. तो प्रोकैरियोट और यूकैरियोट्स का जो बेसिक डिफरेंस है डियर स्टूडेंट्स, you are learning from the sixth standard, then 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th. Now finally in the first year or in the 11th grade, clear? So this is over here, this concept has been comprehended in a very good fashion in our book and the last topic of this chapter. So I'll try my level best to make the clear-cut differences in order to let you understand. Differences. Then here the prokaryotes and the eukaryotes. So as it is a question of comparison or difference, so we have to present like this in a tabulated form in a comparative manner. Now, dear students, first of all, the first difference is of the cell type. The cell type. So as far as the prokaryotes are concerned, the prokaryotes are made up of prokaryotic cells, while the eukaryotes are made up of eukaryotic cells. Clear? Now, the second difference is, which is a major difference, that is a nucleus. So as far as the nucleus is concerned, prokaryotic cell lacks nucleus. इनमें न्यूक्लियस नहीं होता, absent, lack, clear? And as well as the eukaryotes are concerned, the eukaryotic cell have a distinct nucleus. A prominent nucleus is there. So that is the major difference which you have been learning in the previous grades. Okay? So pro means before, and karyo is from the karyon, and karyon means nucleus, while u means true, and karyo means nucleus. So that is the literal meanings. तो इनके अंदर जो प्रोकैरियोट्स होते हैं ये ऐसे organisms हैं which do not have, pro means before nucleus, they do not have any nucleus, while the u means true, they have a true nucleus. Clear? Next is the DNA. That is the deoxyribonucleic acid, the genetic material or the nucleic acid. So in case of prokaryotes, DNA is not enclosed in a nuclear or any other membrane. Clear? So the DNA is not enclosed in any kind of membrane, while in eukaryotes, the DNA is enclosed in a double membrane. So the eukaryotes, they possess double membrane around the DNA, which now is termed as the nucleus. Because of the presence of this nuclear membrane, the DNA or its genetic material, the region in which it is present is called as the nucleus. Clear? क्योंकि इनकी मुकम्मल एक defined boundary है that is enclosed or covered by the membranes. While in case of prokaryotes, there is no or never any membrane which is covering their DNA. So their DNA lies naked in the cytoplasm. Clear? Next difference is of the membrane bounded organelles. So as the major difference between the eukaryote and prokaryotic cell is the presence of the membranes, the cell membranes, not the plasma membrane. I'm talking about the cell membranes, not the outer covering, while the inner coverings, membranes which are present around the organelles. Clear? The cell membranes which are covering the organelles. So as the major differences of membrane, तो इनकी डीएनए के ऊपर बनी है, जो कि इनका सबसे अहम जो स्ट्रक्चर है इनके सेल में. So the membrane bounded organelles are absent totally. Not even a single membrane bounded organelle is present in the prokaryotes. While the eukaryotes, they possess membrane bounded organelles like mitochondria, like endoplasmic reticulum, like Golgi apparatus, like the chloroplast, clear, etc., etc. All the membrane-bounded organelles which we have studied, they are all of them, they're present in the eukaryotes, clear? While in the prokaryotes, there is not even a single membrane-bounded organelle present. Next, the most important thing is the ribosomes. और dear students, आपको याद होगा जब राइबोसोम्स मैंने पढ़ाया था, ये वाहिद ऐसा ऑर्गेनल है जिसके ऊपर कोई मेम्ब्रेन नहीं होती है. इट इज मेम्ब्रेनलेस. इट इज नॉट बाउंडेड बाय एनी मेम्ब्रेन. क्लियर? सो इट इज मेम्ब्रेनलेस ऑर्गेनल. तो चूंकि मेम्ब्रेनलेस है, इसी वजह से for that very reason it is present in the prokaryotes as well as in the eukaryotes. But दोनों के अंदर मौजूद है, फिर भी there is a slight difference. The difference is the ribosomes, the prokaryotic ribosomes are slightly smaller than eukaryotic ribosomes and are, their size is, just dear students, कितना size है इनका? They are 70S. और आपको याद आ गया होगा, राइबोसोम में डिटेल के साथ पढ़ाया था. What is S? That is a Swedberg unit. That is the unit of ultracentrifugation. जिस लेवल के ऊपर ये सेटल होते हैं, ठीक है. While in case of the eukaryotes, the eukaryotic ribosomes are larger and are, dear students, क्या size है इनका? That is 80S. Clear? That is 80S. So that is the basic difference. Now, dear students, another difference between the prokaryotes and eukaryotes, that is of the plasma membrane. So as far as plasma membrane is concerned, is the structure of plasma membrane of prokaryotes differ in one sense, that is, they lack sterols. They lack sterols like the cholesterol. आपको याद होगा डियर स्टूडेंट्स, प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन पढ़ाया था और उसकी कंपोजिशन पढ़ाई थी. द प्रोटीन्स, द लिपिड बायलेयर एंड कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स. और लिपिड्स में दो तरह के लिपिड्स आपको बताए थे, फॉस्फोलिपिड्स एंड द कोलेस्ट्रॉल. तो कोलेस्ट्रॉल यूकैरियोटिक सेल्स में मौजूद है. ठीक है, इनमें इट इज कंपोज्ड ऑफ lipids plus proteins plus carbohydrates clear, including cholesterol, clear. जबकि प्रोकैरियोट्स में कोलेस्ट्रॉल प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन में नहीं होती है. Now, the reproduction. So as far as reproduction is concerned, we will discuss in detail in chapter number 6, inshallah. The prokaryotes, they reproduce by binary fission. They reproduce by binary fission, in which a single bacterial parent cell is divided into two. While as far as the eukaryotes are concerned, they reproduce by mitosis and meiosis. Okay? So that is the difference between as far as the reproduction is concerned. Now, another very distinct feature is here is the difference. And prokaryotes and here the eukaryotes. Here. Now, another difference is of the cell wall. As far as the cell wall of prokaryotes is concerned, their cell wall is made up of long chains of polysaccharides joined or cross-linked with short chains of amino acids or amino acids called, the structure is called peptidoglycan or murine. Clear? And one more thing, dear students, the cell wall of prokaryotes is considered as a single huge molecule and termed as saculus. That is a very important short question. What is saculus? तो चूंकि बैक्टीरिया के पूरे ये यूनिसेलुलर होते हैं, तो इनके पूरे सेल के गिर्द एक मुकम्मल तौर पर वो इसकी वो मौजूद होती है सेल वॉल, जैसे कि लाइक इन एनिमल्स उनके ऊपर खाल होती है, ठीक है, उनके ऊपर स्किन जो होती है वो पूरा का पूरा एक ही मतलब कि कवर समझा जाता है। इसी वजह से इसी तरह से इनकी में जो सेल वॉल है उसको एक ही मॉलिक्यूल, एक ह्यूज मॉलिक्यूल समझा जाता है, दैट इज मेड अप ऑफ पेप्टाइडोग्लाइकन और म्यूरिन। तो उसको टर्म किया जाता है, जैसे हम खाल कहते हैं उसको स्किन कहते हैं एनिमल्स की, यहाँ पर इसको वो सेकुलस का नाम दिया जाता है। सो एज फार एज द इन यूकैरियोट्स एंड प्लांट्स, the plant's cell wall is made up of, yes dear students, किससे बनती है डिटेल से पढ़ चुके हैं, तो यहां पर हम एक जनरलाइज्ड बात करेंगे, made up of cellulose, clear, while the fungi cell wall, जी dear students, किससे बनती है, is made up of काइटिन। तो जिस तरह का यूकैरियोट होगा उस तरह से उनकी जो कंपोजिशन है वो वेरी करेगी। तो ये इनमें बेसिक चीज़ें। एज फार एज द एग्जाम्पल इज कंसर्न्ड, examples, the prokaryotes, they consist of bacteria and cyanobacteria, which are also called as blue-green algae. Sometimes they were called as. And as far as the eukaryotes are concerned, the plants, animals, and the protists and the fungi are the examples of the eukaryotes. Clear? So dear students, as far as its diagram is concerned, तो चूंकि हम शुरू में एनिमल और प्लांट सेल का जो डिफरेंस है उसमें डिटेल से डिस्कस कर चुके हैं, जब क्वेश्चन आएगा तो आपने उनमें से एक एनिमल या प्लांट सेल की एक डायग्राम इसमें बना देनी है। तो प्रोकैरियोट्स में से बैक्टीरिया की डायग्राम वो मैं आपके सामने शेयर कर देता हूं। So this is the cell wall and the capsule. And in the center is the DNA along with the ribosomes and the flagellum. Clear? So this is the flagellum, and they also possess villi. इंशाल्लाह चैप्टर नंबर 6 डिटेल के साथ स्ट्रक्चर्स को स्टडी करेंगे हम. These structures help in conjugation. So these are villi and these are ribosomes. Clear? And this is DNA. And flagellum. Okay. And the capsule and the cell wall. Clear? And inside there is the plasma membrane. So this orange colored is its plasma membrane. So this is a structure of typical bacterium. Here, a prokaryote. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, होपफुली आज का लेक्चर भी आपको क्लैरिफाई हो गया होगा. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में, तब तक अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.